It's a sad day for me. Will I stop vlogging? Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video with another interesting day. But today it is a bit a sad day for me. I'm a bit upset because my iPhone 11, like this charging port is not working. Like my phone is not getting charged since 2 days, and I don't know why. What has happened? Like I just bought this phone like about 4 months ago, and yeah, it's still in a warranty period. That's what saved my life. Like I don't really know what's gonna happen. Like I'll go there, like I'll go to that service station, and I'll just hand over the phone, and I'll just tell what's the problem with this, and they'll let me know that whether this comes under the warranty or should I need to pay anything for this. But yeah, like you might be wondering, I'm not actually using this phone for vlogging right now. Like I had already told you guys that I'm using my sister's phone, that is OnePlus 7, for vlogging. Like currently I'm vlogging with her phone. So if you haven't already checked that video, I'll just give a link in the I button above. You can just go check it out. Yes, let's come back for this topic. Yeah, so I don't know what happened, but it's not really getting charged at all. And I can see some black spots inside. I don't know what it is, but I think there is some fault inside. So I need to go there and I need to hand over my phone right now. So I'll catch you guys once I get there, and I'll let you guys know what is gonna happen. Yes, let's go and check it out. So guys, please don't forget to wear your helmets when you're going out, like when you're riding your bike, and also do wear your mask, just like that, and just lock it, and boom. So guys, now that I'm back here, yes, I just got from this Spy mobile store, and now I'm getting in to hand over my phone and to check whether yeah, now they'll be having some temperature check and hand sanitization. So it's all done, and I'm just entering in.
Actually, phone warranty ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ವಾರಂಟಿ ಐಫೋನ್
Yo guys, so I just got to know that I need to go for another place. Maybe that's the Apple Authentic shop, which is a bit nearby this place. So I'll catch you guys over there, and he's the person who just helped me out to get there. So I'll catch you guys over there. So guys, so I came to the place where he guided me. So I'm here. So I'm in that street where he told me. So I'm just searching for it. So yes, I need to check out where is it. It must be here somewhere because there are a couple of showrooms right here in this line. So I need to check out whether I'll find it. So it must be here somewhere. So guys, finally I found that Apple store. Here it is. That's this one, Apple iPlanet. So I'll just get in and I'll just check out with the services what they'll provide me, and let's check out what's gonna happen. So guys, I'm in a queue, so I'm just waiting to get in, and then we need to submit our phone over there, and let's check out what happens. So guys, it's a good thing that we need to hand sanitize without even touching it. Like, we'll just press it with our legs like this, and it's done. Yo guys, so I'm out, and yeah, actually I got to know that there is no issue with my phone. There's nothing wrong, like nothing is wrong with my phone, but the problem is with my charging cable. So it has got some minor physical damage, so they're not accepting to replace it. But I just asked them to get a new one. But the worst part is that there is no stock available of that cable, like charging cable, lightning port cable. So that's the scene right now. So I just came out, and now I need to get some other cable, or I need to get it online. I'll just try to get it soon as possible, but till then I need to shoot with this OnePlus 7, which is my sister's phone. So now I just came out and I just saw this wonderful place to have some food, to grab some food, that is Vada Wala. So I'm just having some good food. Let's ask. So as you guys can see, we get some hot vada pav, spicy and hot vada pav, and some burgers and some french fries and rolls, all the stuffs over here. So let me grab some spicy vada pavs. Maybe I'll take mixed veg vada pav or aloo tikki. I'm confused. Okay, I'll just grab one, and I'll catch you guys after that. So guys, I'm done having some hot spicy vada pavs. It was I just bought this one aloo tikki vada pav. It was really tasty, and I had a chai, had a cup of tea, and I'm done. So I'm just heading back to home, and maybe I'll get the charger, like charging wire, online, or I'll try to get it in some other shops. Maybe I'll just try to get it, and I'll let you guys know about it further. So now I'll head back home, and I'll catch you guys over there. So guys, now that I'm back home, I'm actually checking it online. So maybe I'll purchase it online, and yeah, but still, if even if I order it online, I'll be getting that data cable, or that charging cable, after a week or something. But until then, will I stop vlogging? Like, how will I vlog without my phone? Like, should I need to ask my sister all the time to give her phone for vlogging? Really? That's not really gonna happen. Yeah, but I don't stop vlogging. I will definitely vlog, but you need to wait for that. How will I be vlogging with some... Okay, I don't tell much about it, but if you want to know it, you need to wait for it and wait for the next video. And until then, take care and bye bye. Wait. Before that, if you're new around here, please do subscribe the channel and please comment down below about your opinions. And if you have any suggestion, you can just drop down. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And see you guys with another video with another new camera setup. I'll be telling you it's gonna be lit, and yeah, definitely it's gonna be really interesting and unique. I hope so. So until then, bye bye, take care and see you. Peace.